Hey guys, what's up? It's Sculler85 back in another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for Assassin's Creed 3 Remastered on the Xbox One. So yeah, I picked this up today. Really not that expensive for what you get. You get Assassin's Creed 3 Remastered in 4K HD and all that shizzle. You also get a load of DLC and Assassin's Creed Liberation, which was released on the PlayStation Vita. So you also get that as well, which has been remastered, so that's cool. So yeah, I paid $29.99 for this, which I think is about $40 US, I believe, which is pretty good to be fair, I think. So obviously there on the front you got Connor Kenway. So yeah. I did play the original Assassin's Creed, but I can't remember how far I got on it. It was years ago, 2012 I believe, so yeah, quite a while ago. So there's the back. Now remastered with enhanced graphics, improved gameplay mechanics. Includes Assassin's Creed Liberation Remastered and all solo DLCs from the original Assassin's Creed 3. Tyranny of King Washington, a 3-part story. Benedict Arnold missions, 4 missions in Hidden Secrets pack. 4 missions, 2 outfits and 4 weapons. So as I said, it is Xbox One X enhanced, 4K Ultra HD and HDR high dynamic range. And it is PS4 Pro enhanced as well, if you get the PS4 copy. So it's install size of up to 50 gig. I don't know if it will be that. It'll probably be a little bit more, to be fair. Maybe a little bit less. But there's the disc. And there's Connor on the back there with the American flag and a little warranty manual type thing of sorts. But yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing, guys, of Assassin's Creed 3 Remastered. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Cheers, bye-bye.